Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. As there are some news on the DOT chart, we seem to be breaking out, and this is finally probably the wave 3. At least it seems like it at the moment. So the wave 3 that we've been waiting for seems to be unfolding right now, after wave 2 likely bottomed here on the 21st of November. At around $4.86. It would be a very shallow wave 2, which is acceptable. I mean, we reached the 38.2 retracement. It's still shallow though, yeah. But we had a 5-wave move up, as explained. We had 3 waves down, so that's all we need really, technically. And DOT broke above the breakout points. So we had a few breakout points here, basically a bit of a cluster of resistance levels that we talked about in the last videos, especially here, this descending trend line. You see the gray line coming down there. That's been broken. The red horizontal resistance level has been broken. And yeah, so far it seems as if wave 2 already bottomed here on the 21st of November. It is technically, of course, still possible that we come down once more. In that scenario, then we would be dealing with a flat structure. That is something we need to still consider. Basically, due to the 3-wave nature of this decline, could just simply be an A wave. This move up, as you can see on the chart, it's only 3 waves up. Could just be a B wave, even though we did overshoot above 1. But that is what an overshooting B wave can do. They are very difficult. However, they don't occur that often in a wave 2. So it's not my primary scenario. And then 5 waves down in wave C of 2. Yeah? So that's technically still possible, but that will be tested, that scenario, once we get the first pullback into this support area. Support is $5.59. That means, obviously, this third wave that I've just talked about, okay, should take us to, well, at least $8, better higher. Yeah? So I'm watching sort of $9.70 here, the 1.618 extension level as a possible target, but these targets should not be anything new. We have talked about these in previous videos. Yeah, that's why we have the target range up there for this third wave. So the idea was, okay, wave 1, possible wave 2, can use the entire box. Apparently only needed the 38.2 retracement level, and now that we've broken out, yeah, we could be in the third wave. But again, the third wave is a 5-wave move, and within that 5-wave move, we also have 5 waves in the waves 1, 3, and 5, right? So essentially 5 waves in wave 3, but within wave 3, again, we also have 5 waves. And it seems as if we are now in wave 1 of wave 3. So it could extend quite a bit further. I mean, really depends on how these subdivisions are now unfolding. That's difficult to say, but it seems like we are working on an impulse. What I can tell you, we only have 3 waves up so far. That allows me to add a support area to the chart, which means that the price needs to hold above $5.59. If we see a break below that level, then it will lose its impulsive character, which doesn't mean it couldn't go up anymore. Yeah, it surely can, but it wouldn't be, let's say, reliable. Yeah, it's an altcoin chart, so it's questionable how reliable it really is, because altcoins are a bit, unreliable. But nevertheless, this could be, obviously, if this is a third wave, it needs to be an impulse. And if it's an impulse, it needs to hold $5.60 or $5.59. So that gives us a level to watch. A break below $5.59, if it's a sustained break, definitely increases the risk significantly that this was just a high B wave. And the risk of a high B wave is there as long as we are not dealing with a 5-wave pattern to the upside, but only 3. And as long as we are below the 1.38 retracement of that move down, and that level is at $6.40, which means above $6.40, the risk of an overshooting B wave will reduce. But I have seen altcoin overshooting B waves that were much longer. So it's only a guide. But yeah, it looks like we are moving. Obviously, it should it should continue to move towards the $8 to $9 level range if this really is the third wave. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.